Do you have a special event or a first dance coming up? Well, here's a basic box step that you could use for your special event.
For the guys, forward, side together, right back, and side together, left forward, side together, right back, and side together. The timing, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. For the ladies, right back, side together, left forward, side together, right back, side together, left forward, side together, or slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick.
All right, now we have our basic box step. How do we hold our partner when we dance? Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to learn more, come dance with us at 2 Left Feet Dance Studio.